All right, our next meal that we are making with Chef Boyardee, that's just my nickname that I'm going with, but I'm not a chef. I'm just a coach who likes to cook because I find that making my own meals keeps me on track, helps me stay healthy, helps me stay lean, get all the macronutrients, the micronutrients I need. And today we are going to make a meal, another simple meal, and it's perfect for this time of the year as we're getting cool here. Winter is right around the corner here, unfortunately, in the Midwest. And who doesn't like a good old soup? We're gonna go a chicken noodle soup. So we're gonna start. We're gonna making the crock pot. Just let it simmer for a little bit. So we're gonna go bone broth. So we're gonna go 2 things of it. So this is what, like 8 cups, I believe. Again, you can make your own bone broth if you want, but I'm too impatient when I do that, so I just buy the stuff. So we're gonna go two cartons of bone broth as our base. Again, bone broth, rather than regular broth, actually has protein in it. So this is gonna be a high protein soup. A couple of those. I got 8 ounces of chicken. Chicken is already cooked. I made that in a crock pot last week, so we'll get that in there. Just let that simmer in there with it. Now vegetables, again, you can do whatever you. I guess noodles too. So I'm going with white rice noodles. So I don't know if it's a Japanese style, I guess, Thai, I guess, whatever this is. So we're just going white rice noodles. You can do any noodles you want. So this one, dump a whole package of them in there. Those are weird. So we'll let those in there. Now we're into our vegetables. So we're gonna go carrots. Just chop up some carrots here. We'll go celery. We'll go onions. Put some peppers in there. Again, soup. A lot of times, soup is just about throwing a bunch of stuff in a pot and cooking it up, trying different things out. Putting everything in a pot, let it cook. Some onion again. Dolphins made Darius. I was gonna say Darius Butler. That's McAfee. Darius Rucker cry. Onions make me cry. Celery. Throw half of it on the ground. 20-second rule. what color we're going? Some orange. I actually got orange. Let's go red. We don't have any red in there. I'm gonna go part of our red pepper in there. All that. Again, colorful noodle soup. Let's see what else we can throw in there. Just some random stuff. We'll throw some thyme in there. Well, actually, we're not because that's not open. Let's throw some garlic powder in there. Why not? Sprinkle a little of that in there. Let's go oregano. How about that? Make it smell nice. Cumin. Why not? Let me get some salt and pepper in there. Almost knocked the knife off on my toe. Alright, so we got all our stuff in there. Mix everything up a little bit and then just let it heat up, let it simmer, and wait it. So, again, make some soup, enjoy it on a nice cool day. And this is high protein, high quality ingredients, a lot of micronutrients from your vegetables, high protein from the chicken and the bone broth, and again, your meat, your proteins with your macros, and get a lot of micronutrients, all the vitamins and minerals you get from vegetables. So, healthy, nutritious, and delicious. Hopefully, anyway. We'll test it out later once it's done. So, my homemade chicken noodle soup with white rice noodles.